Hi, welcome to Simply Scrapping. Narelle here, and I'm playing along this month, in the month of March, with the 30 Days of Sketches by Christy's Beautiful Life, and we're up to series 17. So day 1 is this gorgeous sketch by Sarah Christensen. Now I will have her details below. If she has a YouTube channel or an Instagram or anything like that, I will have all that linked below. But it's a beautiful sketch. So we've got 4 hexagons and florals. Well, I'm all about the florals. If you've been, a regular viewer, you know I love my florals. So I really love this layout, and I'm hoping I can do it justice. So I am using the Serenity collection by Uniquely Creative, and I'm also going to tie this in with my collection Obsession. So every month, well, I've been trying to, I haven't done it for a while, but I used to do collection Obsession, and basically it is, I choose a collection to use, and I create a layout each week using that collection, and at the end of the month I come back and just show all the layouts I did using that collection. So I haven't done that for quite some months, but I'm dying to get back into it. So this is also going to be my collection, first layout for my collection is Obsession in March. Gosh, that's hard to say. And I can't believe it's the 1st of March already. Oh my God, where's the year going? Anyway, so I have my hexagons already, and I did only cut them small. I didn't want them too big because I did want quite a bit of white space on this layout. And I do have a photo, but I had this placement card because I'm not sharing the photo. And then I've just got a selection of mostly the vellum stickers from the Uniquely Creative Serenity collection. God, that's a mouthful. I've got a title and a subheading, and then a couple of die cuts and some bling to add at the end. Alright, so I'm going to get on with it, and I don't think it's going to take too long to do because I'm basically just sticking on a heap of stickers. So let's see what I can do. Okay, there is my completed layout, and I think I did a pretty good interpretation of the sketch, so you can definitely tell which sketch I've used for this. And I love these adhesive vellum stickers by Uniquely Creative. Now I know how to peel the backing off easily. Then they are amazing. Now they are amazing, I should say. I still struggle a little bit with getting the backing off, but I'm sure I use them more often, it will become easier. So the trick is, if you haven't seen it, I'll link. Oh, I don't know where they shared it. Uniquely Creative shared it somewhere. I don't know if it was on their YouTube channel or their Facebook page or somewhere. But anyway, I will show you. I'll try to explain to you. Right, so they're adhesive backed stickers. You can see one side is shiny, the other side is quite dull. That's the vellum sticker. And then all you do is rub your thumb along the edge and see how easy that came off? It will peel right off. So easy. I hope you could see that. Yeah, if I can find the video, I will link it below, because I know a lot of people struggle with these stickers, and since I found out how to do it properly, they're a breeze. I love them. They don't stand out like a die cut, especially if using them on white cardstock. You can't see the edges, and they blend right in and are just gorgeous. So anyway, and it's purple and it's floral, so yeah, love it. Make sure you check out the playlist below. It's got everyone's videos in it who is playing along, and I'm going to try and do one every day. Fingers crossed. Later in the month I've got my own sketch coming up in the series, so I was privileged to be able to supply a sketch for everyone to use, and I can't wait to see what everyone does with it. But anyway, this is today's sketch, day 1, by Sarah Christensen, and I love it. If you have liked this, please hit that thumbs up button so I know that you have liked it. Also, if you're not already a subscriber, please consider hitting that subscribe button as well, and also the notify bell, so that I know, so that you know when my next video comes out. Oh, words are hard. I'll also try to link in the description box where you can get this collection from, because it's absolutely stunning. It was February's collection they released, and there might still be some available in their store. I will link it anyway if I can. Alright, anyway, that's enough from me. Thank you so much for watching. Have a scrap happy day, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye bye.